Hello, my name's Dominic Fonte with Cutler Real Estate. Thanks for tuning in today. I want to show you this villa I have, rare find here in Plain Township. The address is 424 Brookpoint Street Northwest, North Canton, Ohio, 44720. So you can find it on GPS. But anyhow, it's 1,540 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an office, open great room concept. It needs some updating, but it is a fabulous property. Let me give you a quick tour. So this is looking out the front door. That's my car. But so it's all villas, all ranch style villas. Now you come in the front door, you can see the great room, but this is the Ohio State room here, which is the office. Got some red carpeting, gray walls, a lot of natural light coming in. Okay, so when you come into the great room here, so this is nice and spacious. You have a cathedral ceiling. I don't know if you can tell that. All right. Let's take a look at what we have here. So this would be off the back. There's actually a patio, which you can't see because we got all that snow. But there's a patio off the Florida room. Nice backyard, spacious. So the villa just means you pay for a fee of $135, and that takes care of the snow, fertilizer, grass cutting, and bush trimming and so forth. So it's really nice. You could travel and have a little bit of fun. Okay, so here you are in the kitchen. Oak cabinets, white appliances. You have a pantry here. Okay. And then this doorway goes back to the great room. So, you know, some countertop updates, painting. Now I see people painting cabinets. But you see the natural light coming in. It's pretty bright. Let's go check this out. So this would be your Florida room with the cathedral ceiling. Tons of natural light coming in. I'll let you see the view. So that's the view. Of course, there's a sliding door here. We had that 14 inches of snow on the back. You can see the drift. So this is nice. So I'd say maybe some flooring updates. Paint would go a long way. We're selling it as is. Very nice property. Just like I said, just needs some life blown back into it of modern taste and touches. You could see it's a little thicker. It looks like 2x4 construction here. Yeah, this would be beautiful with a little bit of work. So let's look at the master bedroom first. So here's the master with a trade ceiling. I gotta love that carpeting, huh? That red carpeting. So neutral walls, large walk-in closet here. Okay, and then you have your master bath. Show you the flooring. It's like a pattern vinyl. How about that countertop there? Ohio State fan here. Some built-ins over here. And of course the shower. So that would be a 4-foot shower. So you can see what that looks like with a grab bar, safety handle, window. So you got a lot of natural light. Every room that I walked in so far, lovely. So the property faces north. You got vinyl tip-in windows. Okay, so let's go take a look here. So this would be the laundry area, and through here would be the utility room. So your furnace, air conditioner, let's take a peek. So you got city water and sewer, 40-gallon water heater here, central air conditioning, a Lennox. Now this was built in 2004, one owner. And then the split plan, which is kind of nice, you know, you come in here for the foyer, and then the office, then the great room with a switch-operated fireplace. Okay, so let's check out the other bathroom. Here you go. So you can see here, oak, vinyl flooring, has a little pattern to it. And then of course you got the tub shower combo here. Okay. And then the extra bedroom right here. You have a mauve carpeting, nice size room, and of course the closet over here. Okay. Let me show you the garage. Nice 2-car garage. All right, let's take a peek. There's a little storage out here, but you have to look past that. Okay. Okay. So here you got an insulated garage door. Wayne Doughton. I'm going to take you over here and show you the extra storage that we have. See here, this is nice. Hot, nope, just cold water here. All right, some extra shelving and storage, access to the attic area. So this is a 150 amp service with lots of room to add more circuits. So in closing, I'd like to say thanks for tuning in today. If you have any further questions about this villa, which is located in Plain, dead-end street, it's lovely. Quick access to shopping and drugstores. It's very convenient. You can call me at 330-418-1535, or if you'd like to see more details, just go to dominicfonte.com and check out my more than 325-star reviews to see what you'll experience. And if you'd like to see more, just give us a ring, 330-418-1535. Enjoy your day.